qonde ngqozoso lomyalezo uBhobhi. Bhobhi siqasheleni uPitso Msimane manje. Uyena umuntu ozolungisa inkinga zeChiefs. Siqasheleni uPitso Msimane, uyena umuntu ozolungisa inkinga zeChiefs. Uyabona
Guys, Fernando da Cruz, I saw some videos on YouTube saying Fernando da Cruz is coming back to Chiefs. That is not true, guys. Fernando da Cruz, Kaizer Chiefs management will not insult Kaizer Chiefs fans by re-employing Fernando da Cruz. That is Nabi's assistant is part of Nabi's technical team. And you saw on the last show, I showed you that clip of him arriving in South Africa to prepare the team for preseason. Yeah, Wahamba Waya in Morocco was employed by the Moroccan FA after that. And yeah, as far as I'm concerned, he is somewhere there in France and he is not coming back to Kaizer Chiefs. The fans have spoken. They've given management a mandate. So yeah, I don't think the management would dare insult Kaizer Chiefs fans by bringing Fernando da Cruz back. And guys, the co-coaches, I hear that they refused to resign. So yeah, guys, that is the latest regarding Cedric Gaza and Ben Yosef. They've been given a mandate to qualify for the top 3. Kaizer Chiefs want to go back to CAF. Yeah, Kaizer Jr. is documented saying that he wants a top 3 finish. So yeah, that is the mandate of the coaches. But why don't they bring in somebody, even Pito now, Bambi's match? Because these 2 guys, they are going to take Kaizer Chiefs out of the top 8. If Bayer Kubera at this rate, 4 losses in a row, it is equal to Kaizer Chiefs' worst record. 1 defeat. The West records. Dr. Khumalo no Ace Kruse nabo bake bathola 4 losses in a row. That can come to my head. I think the other one was Molifin Teke, the other one was Arthur Zwane, the other one was Steve Compella. So 1 more defeat to Ben Yosef and Gaza, it equals to the worst record ever for Kaizer Chiefs. So yeah, guys, I don't know, what do you think? Drop your thoughts on comments. That is the worst record. Right, asikhulumeni ngendaba yaka Molisane usayine a pre-contract with Kaizer Chiefs. I don't know if Pizzo is going to approve of that situation. Yeah, but Kaizer Chiefs currently have a defensive crisis, so many defenders. As I'm going to read that injury list to you guys, Peterson is injured. So yeah, you can understand why Chiefs is signing Nwabali, because Untwari Naye, he is forever injured. And another one that is injured is Given Msimang, unfortunately for him, unlucky young man. Buya injury and he is going back to injury. As Buya injury, besu injury. I don't know what is wrong with fitness. Is it the fitness trainer? Are they being overloaded? Are they playing too many games? Guys, okay? That is the dark side or the unlucky side of football. Msimang is out. Another one that is out, Obrigado Mfundo Vilagazi. He is out. Pito Msimane, he gave a big hint to which he's coming to Kaizer Chiefs. He says that is going to make Lokuza Mfundo Vilagazi Nomtu Shabalala stars. So why would he make a comment like that if nothing is happening behind the scenes? So I think something is definitely cooking behind the scenes. Pito Msimane making that comment is probably a hint to which he is coming to Kaizer Chiefs. That is my opinion. That is reading in between the lines. That's what I think. Otherwise, he wouldn't be making those comments now, would he? What do you think? Drop your thoughts on comments below. Obrigado, Limele, and guys, Shabalala. I hear that Shaba, there is a proposed swap deal between himself and Devin Titus. I don't know what the hell are they trying to do. Devin Titus, I'm swapping do. Guys, what do you think about that potential or proposed swap deal? I think those are just rumors. It's something that I read on social media somewhere. I hope it is not true. Devin Titus ushilo yena ukuthi ufisa ukudlalela iOrlando Pirates. Manje angazi ke babafunana abadlali abakhulumile in public ukuthi yena iphupho lakhe ufuna ukudlalela iPirates. Angazi, guys, what do you think? That proposed swap deal between Mdu Shabalala and Devin Titus. Okay, Vilakazi is injured, guys. Inacio Miguel is another one on the injury list. Inacio Miguel on the injury list. Thabo Moloisane is set to make that switch to Kaizer Chiefs from Stellenbosch. At least Lelo player Lelo, it's something we can talk about, not this thing of Devin Titus and Mdu Shabalala. I to drop your thoughts and comments regarding that one. Another one on the injury list, Dotli's been injured for quite some time, and I heard he was back on training for the past 2 weeks, but is he match fit or is he ready to play? I do not think so, but I see he is on the list of injured persons. That is Dotli and Nkanyisa Shinga. Shame qeda ukwenza i-debut manje sakalimele. What is wrong? Why am I injured amangaka, guys? Is it the are they being overloaded, or are they being overtrained, or what did they do now during the January break? During the AFCON bebayenzala abantu begijima entabeni bekwenzakalani lapha ama-player waba injured nama-injury amaningi kangaka. Right, I don't know whatever they're doing, there's definitely something not right that is happening there. With so many players on the injury list. And another one is George Matlow ulimele naye, guys. Angazi-ke njengoba limele, he's with his contract coming yaphela phela i-contract yakhe. Remember, he signed a 1-year contract at the end of the season. At the beginning of the season, they gave him another season, which is the one he's currently playing. And yeah, I don't know, njengoba limele George Matlow, that he is also on that injury list. Yeah, guys, I think that is it. Jamil Benochi, he is set to coach Marumo Gallants. That's what I see here. Yeah, Jamil Benochi, he used to coach EMC Alger, that is Rolani Mokwena's team. He used to coach that team as well. So yeah, he was seen with the Marumo Gallants chairperson. So that is what sparked the rumors that he is going to coach Marumo Gallants. Yeah, guys, that is all I have for today. Remember to give it a like. Remember to subscribe. Cheers. Bye-bye.